Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the fifth video in the series of Diaspora Studies, and the topic today is Diasporic Identities. What is diasporic identity? Diasporic identity is defined as an identity of an individual or of groups of immigrants who have been displaced from their homeland and are living in a new country in the diasporic condition. Identity is described as finite and consisting of separate and distinct parts like family, culture, and society. Identity is an ever evolving process that includes a sense of continuity, a sense of uniqueness from others, and a sense of affiliation. Formation of identity is a process through which a distinct personality is developed and by which a person is recognized or known in the society. Identity of a person is shaped by the perception of the world surrounding us. It is based on the religion, race, class, economic, and social status of the family, the culture, and the religious beliefs shared by the society in which the individual lives. When a person migrates from a place of birth or origin to the other country, most of these beliefs follow the migrants to the host country. In the first generation of the migrants, migration caused alienation, nostalgia for the past, and the rootlessness as they still cling to culture beliefs, practices, and norms of the homeland. The first generation diaspora is attached very much to the clothes, food, and language of India, even if they are living in diaspora. They show their culture as a mark of Indianness. This sets them apart from others and highlights their differences. Their displacement leads to the feeling of unhomeliness and double consciousness. In diaspora, the feeling of being caught between two cultures and consequently belonging to none comes from culture displacement, and this is referred to as homeliness. In the second generation, a diaspora children born of the immigrants face different issues. They are tossed between two different cultures and different societies, the host culture and home culture. They develop a sense of betweenness, resulting in the loss of identity, alienation, and hybrid identity. This creates conflict between parents and children as parents hold on to the cultural identity and children want themselves to be like the people of the host country. Diasporic identity therefore can be defined as an identity of an immigrant living in a diasporic condition. A number of diasporic writers like Jhumpa Lahiri, Bharti Mukherjee, Amita Ghosh, etc., has been dealing with the diasporic identity in their works. These writers on the lives of men and women, their joys and sorrow, their issues of cultural adaptation, identity, alienation, displacement, etc. Writers express their personal identities in relation to the life in home country and host country. Through the characters, they try to explain the feeling of belongingness, through which we understand the concept of diasporic identities. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.